we have one section in our dashboard. Here you can see in the menu there is a section called plugins and apps. Just click over here. Now here you can see all the feature list, all the additional sections which are given to you. Here you can browse them by category, or else you can click on all and you can see all the plugins and applications. These are the additional sections given for your convenience. If you want to connect them onto your store, you can directly buy it from here. Let's say if we have already installed, or if we have already having certain features according to our package, so once you click on installed apps, you can see all the features which are available on your package or on your site right now. Okay, here you can see these are all available at my site. And if you go for payment gateway, here you can see the tick mark. So this is already available on my site, and this is I have already purchased, so this one is free for me. Nextly, if we go for the chat plugin, so here you can see WhatsApp is free, and Facebook and Talk to Messenger, that both are separate, you have to purchase it. So if we have to purchase anything, we can just simply click on over here. Here you will get the buy now button, and you can directly pay online and activate this facility onto your website. Similarly, in email, you can see the SMTP email provider. If you want to do SMTP settings, like if you want to send all the emails from your domain email account, you can do the SMTP settings. It is totally free for you. So but you should have a proper SMTP settings if you want to send the emails from your domain email account. Next one is SMS. Here, if you want to integrate SMS services for your website, suppose if you want to send OTPs, if you want to send SMS notifications to your clients, so you can purchase the transactional SMS from your any of the service provider, and you can keep the URL over here. Here once you click, we have mentioned all these steps here also, so you can follow the steps and you can activate it for your site. Next is promote store plugins. Here you can see buy domain with privacy and security. If you want to buy domain, you can directly buy it from here, and you can just notify us for which domain you want to buy. Next one is pop-up window. That means if you want a pop-up management on your store, so you can add this. Customer testimonials, which is seen on front side, so that can also be added. Enable auto generate SEO. We have already covered this in SEO video. If you want auto generation of SEO for your website, so you can buy this plugin. The next one is manage store plugins. So here you can see in store plugins we are having mostly related to the features. First one is variant management, which is a product variant if you want to add, so you can purchase this one. Schedule order date plugin. If you want schedule delivery option, so here you can purchase it from here. If text management, custom delivery charges. If you want custom delivery charges feature, so you can purchase it from here. If you want 500 extra products, suppose if your package is having 200 or 700 products, and if you want more 500 products, so you can buy it from here. Staff user, it is for manage staff feature, so you can directly enable it from here. Again, 1000 products can be purchased. Enable location wise delivery service. If you want location wise delivery service, so that can be purchased from here. Pin code checker facility, if it is not available for you, so you can get it available from here. Add a account on your store. Staff account, this is again for managed staff, to enable the feature of managed staff, and this one is to add the user for managed staff. So if you are purchasing this one, so you will get the feature enabled from here, but if you want to add a staff user, so you have to purchase this one also. Another one is minimum and maximum order quantity for B2B sellers, so that can be purchased from here. Product filtration, that can be purchased. Geolocation report, which we have already seen, can be purchased from here. Next is market store plugins. So market store plugins has discounts and promotions, which generally is known as coupon codes, so that feature can be purchased. Ratings and review, which are mainly given on the products, that you can purchase from here. You can purchase your own branded shopping application. Suppose if you want Android or iOS application for your store in your name, you want it to be uploaded onto the Play Store, so you can purchase this own branded shopping application as an add-on in any of the package which you have purchased. You can also get your co-branded shopping application, which is it will be according to the site only, and you can get it on your own. Again, you can get 4 website banners if you want us to design your banners, so that can also be done. Watermark setting can be done. Manage branding. If you want to remove Powered by More Customers app from the footer of your website, you can buy this add-on. And here in others section we are having, you can take enable Facebook pixel. You can manage this field also. If you want to activate B2B private site is, suppose if you do not want it to be working as a retailer, if you don't want to sell into the market and you want only few customers or few B2B person who can just contact you and they can purchase the products in bulk. So for that you can activate B2B private site for the same. You can also make us ask her for doing domain configuration for your website. In case if you are not comfortable for doing domain management, then if you buy this domain configuration, we will set up your domain for your site. So these all were the plugins and applications which we provide along with the package, and if you need any one of them, you can directly purchase it from here and just notify us about the same.